good?
Yes, sir.
All right, guys, good morning. It is cold again, but I got my shades. Tell you what sucks today is I forgot my sunglasses. And that is the most dumb, brutal rookie mistake you could make. So we're back at the marina this morning. Sandy Cooper, the state utility company, they are on site, and we've been working for over a year getting power upgraded at the marina down on the dock. So this is a huge day. They're pulling wire, new transformers. We're getting upgraded to better, correct, and just more reliable power for our boats here at the marina, for transient boats that are coming in, and so it's a good thing. So a couple bucket trucks here. These guys are waiting on a spool of wire, and kind of give you a quick of what's going on. Comes Caitlin pulling in like a pit stop at the Indy 500. Also, we got Caleb's mega yacht right here. We're getting bottom painted, so this thing's gonna be really nice when it's finished. Little 8-foot rowboat. Morning, guys. Morning. This is a new transformer box they put in a couple months ago. I don't really know how it all works. They're taking, took a meter base out of one, pulling some new power. We go from a 12208 to a 12240. Bottom line, it's gonna be good for us. Put your hard hats on, we're in the construction zone. We got, here's a row of new power pedestals that are going to go in on the dock. So we got new 3030s, 5030s, and 100 with 250s on it. So today Sandy Cooper's going to pull the line, put the meters in, put that power in. They're going to lay that down, and probably tomorrow, the rest of the week, we'll start installing these power pedestals. We should be hot and live in next week, I'm hoping. So if you kind of look down the dock right here, you can see all the power pedestals. These things are 20 years old. They work, they're fine, but man, they're worn out. We've had so many storms coming through. We had a string of really like a Cat 1 coming through. It seemed like 5 years in a row. A couple of big nor'easters come through, and all of this stuff is exposed. There's no way to hide from it. So if all that storm weather comes through, I mean, this stuff just gets beat up. And you know, minus taking them, uninstalling them, and you know, putting them in a closet. You know, that's just part of it. So it's been time for an overhaul, and we're getting it done. It's going to be awesome when it's completed. So all these boats, again, they're going to have very good, reliable power. Hey guys, I got sidetracked. Sandy Cooper's out there pulling lines on the front. Now we're on the back. So what's going to end up is everything gets plugged in basically to these power pedestals. Here comes Dylan right now. Probably just got off a personal phone call. Takes more than anybody I know. What's up, buddy?
What's up?
So these power pedestals are getting installed all the way down the main dock here. And Dylan can kind of tell you a little bit about what they do and what they service.
Yeah. So we have these two large transient slips here. We can accommodate you guys now. We're getting these new pedestals installed just like Sean said. We'll be able to service up to 100 amp. You know, we have the standard 50 and 30 amp as well. Along with the power, we also have in-slip fueling for both of these big slips. Just makes it a little bit more convenient and easy for you guys to get in here, fuel up. We have a full bait and tackle shop up there, as well as plenty of ice. If you guys are fishing on your way up or your way down, whichever way you're heading, we can load you up with ice, bait, tackle, anything you might need to get out there and catch a couple fish on your way through. But yeah, give us a shout. We'd be happy to have you stay with us.
Yeah, man, pretty cool stuff. We've been working over a year, like I said earlier, to get everything here done. It's just part of the process between county and utilities and electricians and permits and all the things that the government does to get in our way just to run a small business. But we're kind of getting to the second half of that, which is awesome. We're very excited. We've been kind of white lined to everybody for a long time, so we can stop doing that, sleep a little bit better. Dylan's not very good at lying, so it's obvious to everybody. They know we're full of it. So these things get ready to go in. Man, come down. We got these big slips right here at the end of the channel. Super easy, kind of a short shot. You know, if you're visiting, you know, if you're passing, you know, down, if you're coming from the north down to Florida or the other way, man, we're 3 miles from the jetties. So very cool to get all these upgrades at the Crazy Sister Marina. And so we're going to move on from here. We're going to head back down to Georgetown, where we were the other day. They're getting ready to put the Explorer boat back in the water, so all that bottom painting, all that stuff that we worked on the other day, that's done. And we look forward to splashing that down at Hazard Marina in Georgetown. And Captain Ronnie and Brendan are going to bring her back, and she'll be back up here in a couple hours. So we'll see you down on the other side in just a minute.